cars of the future will be self-driving, and some form of hands-free motoring in limited circumstances could be a reality on UK roads in spring 2021. Fully automated driving will ultimately benefit road safety, but we're not there yet. The most sophisticated systems currently permitted on European roads are the ones that can assist drivers but not replace them. However, 53% of UK drivers believe that they could purchase a self-driving car today. So there clearly is some confusion which could have serious safety and insurance implications. But Matthew, Thatcham Research and Euro NCAP are trying to provide some clarity.
Together we're launching the world's first grading system to look at the performance and the capability of today's assisted driving technologies. We recognise the safety benefits of these technologies and we encourage their fitment and their use. But it's vital that vehicle manufacturers don't oversell the capabilities of these systems and that drivers learn to use them properly. Our grading system will award new cars one of 4 ratings: very good, good, moderate or entry. Results show consumers what the assisted systems are designed to do and how safely they perform. We hope this will encourage widespread fitment and correct use. To score well, a car must perform strongly across 3 assessments for the level of assistance they provide, level of driver engagement, and the effectiveness of their safety backup systems.
Vehicle assistance tests the effectiveness of speed and steering systems, as well as lane guidance technology. Driver engagement is concerned with the driver being aware of their responsibilities and rates how well the system shares the driving task. How a car maker promotes the capabilities of its system is also part of the assessment in this category.
This system allows you to set your desired speed, which is automatically maintained by the vehicle.
Safety Backup evaluates how a car will protect its driver and occupants in the event of an emergency, including a systems failure or imminent collision.
Safety backup is so important because you never know when something unexpected is going to happen. This Volvo does have technology, but it can't cope at higher speed because it's older. Newer vehicles can, and that just goes to show the pace of change over the past couple of years.
Results for the first batch of 10 cars show strengths and weaknesses and prove that even entry and mid-level cars, such as the Renault Clio and Ford Kuga, offer effective systems.
It's really positive to see that these systems are not limited to high-end luxury vehicles. Looking at the other results, the Tesla Model 3 was the best for safety backup and vehicle assistance, but lost ground for misleading consumers about the capability of its autopilot system and actively discouraging drivers from engaging when behind the wheel. Having to overcome the steering resistance to take back control is not something we like to see. The overall best performer was the Mercedes GLE, which emerged as the most balanced assisted driving system when graded across all 3 assessment categories. The BMW 3 Series was second, whilst the Audi Q8 was third.
Matthew, it's important to note that not any one car can do everything perfectly at the moment.
No, the optimum would probably be a blend of 3 cars. The BMW 3 Series for its driver engagement and the potential it's got with its driver monitoring camera. The Mercedes GLE for its vehicle assistance and the Tesla Model 3 for its very good safety backup. However, it's very important that drivers are reminded of their obligations behind the wheel. These systems are not automated yet.